Hello everyone, today I would like to share the few concepts like comparison of the properties of matter in the three states. I already explained the properties of solids, liquids and gases in my previous videos, but today I would like to explain the differences of the properties of the three states of matter. The first property is intermolecular space. The space present between the molecules of matter is called intermolecular space. So the molecules are very tightly packed in solids, so intermolecular space is very small. When you come to liquids, the molecules are somewhat loosely packed, so intermolecular space is larger than in solids. When you come to gases, the molecules are very loosely packed, so intermolecular space is very large. When you come to intermolecular force of attraction, so force of attraction between the two molecules is called as intermolecular force of attraction. This is very strong in solids, it is weaker than in solids like in liquids, and also very weak in gases. When you come to shape, the solids have definite shape, liquids have indefinite shape, and gases have also indefinite shape. When you come to volume, solids have definite volume, liquids have definite volume, and gases have indefinite volume. Rigidity or flexibility. See, the solids are very rigid. When you come to liquids, they are not rigid but show fluidity. And also gases are also flexible and they also show fluidity higher than liquids. So when you come to compressibility, it is almost nil in solids, almost nil in liquids, but gases are highly compressible due to large amount of intermolecular spaces in the gases. And also when you come to density, density is very high in solids due to tight packing, and in liquids lower density but higher than gases. When you come to gases, the density is very low. When you come to diffusion, solids do not diffuse, liquids diffuse slowly but gases diffuse very rapidly. And also the next one is particle motion. Here in the solids, the molecules only vibrate. When you come to liquids, they can move throughout the volume. When you come to gases, the molecules have highest mobility in all directions. When you come to energy, it is having little kinetic energy, and come to liquids, high kinetic energy. When you come to gases, highest kinetic energy. So next one is free surface. Solids have many free surfaces, but liquids have only one free surface. Gases have no free surface at all. When you come to expansion, solids expand very little, liquids expand more than solids, less than gases. Gases have greater extent of expansion. And you come to contraction, solids have very little contraction, liquids more than solids. When you come to gases, greater extent. So these are the differences between solids, liquids and gases. Thank you.